Good morning. My name is Robert J. Cincohimaya from College of Engineering. Today, we discuss about logarithmics. So, what is a logarithmic? Logarithmic is to tell us how many times you multiply to a base to get a number. So, let's try to solve this problem. So here, find the value of x such as that the logarithm of x with the base 2 is equals to 5. So, sabi dito, hanapin natin yung value ng x na logarithm niya is based on 2. So, ganito yun siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya pag sa equation na. Then, hanapin natin yung value ng x. So, meaning nito, magiging ayan, 2 raised to 5 equals to x. So, para natin mahanap yung value ng x is to multiply that 2 to 5. So, let's step by step. So, ayan. May 5 tayo. 2. Then, multiply natin. 4, 8, 16, 32. So, ayan. Yan yung 32. Ito na yung ating value ng x. So, meaning yan is x equals to 32. So, yan yung sagot. So, nahanap natin yung value ng x na 32. So, lagi ko ang tandaan, kapag hinanap yung value ng x, and may given na rin na base. So, ang ano po natin agad is yung sure niya magiging ngayon dapat. Ayan. Then, ito na ang aking sagot. So, yun lang po.